Okay, Porscha, that's as far as you're gonna be able to go.
Come on, buddy.
We'll clear it out. Daddy will clear a room for you. Oh my God, she loves it. She loves it. Okay. Okay, no. It's as far as you can go, sweetie. Yeah. Stay, baby doll. Oh, that's lovely. Lexi, how about you? You want to go in the snow? You want to go in the snow? Lexi would like drown in that snow. What's today's date? Saturday, February 6th, 2010, 8 o'clock in the morning. Snow. Here, go. Tell her to go one more time. Porscha, come on. You wanna go outside? Porscha, come on. Come on, Daddy will clear some room for you. Come on. Let's go.
You know what?
Come on, you gotta go outside and go potty. Lexi's like, I don't think so. Come on, go outside. Porscha, come on, honey. There, Daddy cleared a path for you. Come on.